Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tag comments or reply to comments on YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have your YouTube Studio so you can be able to start editing your content. And basically, all you need to do now is just to go to your content. And for example, you can go also from your YouTube and start uh, responding or replying to your comments. So the first thing you will need to do is to go to your content, and basically from here you will need just to choose your shorts where you want to tag the comments or reply to the comments. And basically you can do it by clicking on your short, and you can start watching your shorts by clicking on this YouTube icon by clicking on here, or you can also find your comments here. So you can click on view all, and basically you will be able to find your comments. Anyways, now we need just to go to the comments. So here I'm just going to click on this, and basically here you will be able to find reply. And now you can see this icon, camera icon, and all you need to do is just to go and click on it, and you can find also another icon, depends on the version of YouTube, and now you will be able to start uh, recording, and you have your comments that is tagged. You will need to have another short by tagging this comment. So for example like this, and you will be able to record, and now you can start um, saving these shorts, and then you can send it, etc., etc. And then all you need to do is to edit your uh, short, and then you can publish it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.